Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Channel.
Hey there! We're so happy you're joining us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
On this channel, we help you practice real, natural English through conversations about everyday topics.
Today, we're talking about daily routines. What do you do every day? When do you wake up? How do you spend your time?
This is such a useful topic because we talk about routines all the time, at work, with friends, when meeting new people.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to Fluent English Channel and leave us a like. It really helps other learners find us.
Let's jump right in.
So, Emma, I have to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
Yesterday morning, I called you at 7:30 a.m., and you didn't pick up. Were you still sleeping?
Oh my goodness, yes. 7:30 is way too early for me.
Really? But that's when I start my day.
You wake up at 7:30? That's actually pretty normal.
Actually, I wake up at 6 a.m.
6 o'clock? Jake, that's crazy early.
Not for me. I'm a morning person. I love mornings. The air is fresh, it's quiet, and I have energy.
I wish I could say the same. I'm definitely not a morning person. I usually wake up around 8:30 or 9 o'clock.
So, what time do you go to bed?
Usually around midnight, sometimes 1 a.m.
That's late. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m., sometimes 11 p.m.
See? We're completely different. You're an early bird and I'm a night owl.
Exactly. And I think that's important to know about yourself. Everyone has their own rhythm.
True. So, what's your morning routine, Jake? Walk me through it.
Okay, so I wake up at 6 a.m. First thing I do? I drink a big glass of water.
Oh, that's healthy.
My body needs water after sleeping for 7 or 8 hours. Then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, the usual stuff.
Do you shower in the morning?
Always. I can't start my day without a shower. It wakes me up.
Interesting. I shower at night before bed.
Really? Why?
Because I like to feel clean and relaxed before I sleep. Also, it saves time in the morning.
That makes sense. After my shower, I get dressed. I choose my clothes the night before, so it's quick.
Oh, that's smart. I waste so much time deciding what to wear in the morning.
Planning ahead helps. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I'm pretty boring. I eat the same thing every day. Oatmeal with banana and a cup of coffee.
Every single day?
Yep, I don't like making decisions in the morning. I just want something simple and healthy.
I respect that. I usually skip breakfast.
You skip breakfast? Emma!
I know. Everyone says breakfast is important, but I'm just not hungry in the morning.
What about coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Oh, absolutely. Coffee is non-negotiable. I make a big cup of coffee, and that's my breakfast.
Just coffee? Nothing else?
Sometimes I have a piece of toast or some fruit, but usually just coffee.
Okay, so after breakfast, or coffee, what do you do?
Well, I work from home, so my routine is a bit different. After coffee, I check my emails and messages. I spend about 20 minutes just catching up.
Do you check your phone right after you wake up?
Guilty. I know it's a bad habit, but I do.
I try not to. I read somewhere that checking your phone first thing stresses you out.
That's true. I should stop doing that. What about you? When do you check your phone?
After breakfast, I give myself at least 1 hour in the morning without my phone.
That's impressive. I should try that.
It's hard at first, but now it's a habit. After breakfast, I check my phone, and then I start work around 8 a.m.
You start work at 8? So early.
Yeah, but I also finish early. I'm done with work by 4 or 5 p.m.
Lucky. I usually work until 6 or 7 p.m.
But you start later, right?
True. I start around 10 a.m., so it balances out.
Let's talk about the afternoon. What's your afternoon routine like?
Okay, so around 1 or 2 p.m., I take a lunch break. I usually eat something quick, a sandwich, leftovers from dinner, maybe a salad.
Do you cook lunch or do you prepare it the night before?
Usually I prepare it the night before. It's faster.
Same here. I pack my lunch every evening.
After lunch, I take a short walk. Just 10 or 15 minutes around the neighborhood.
That's a good habit. Fresh air helps you focus.
Exactly. Then I go back to work until around 6 p.m.
Do you take any other breaks during the day?
Yes, I take a coffee break around 4 p.m. Just 5 or 10 minutes to stretch and relax.
I do the same thing. I can't work for 4 or 5 hours straight. I need breaks.
Breaks are so important. They help your brain rest.
Okay, now let's talk about the evening. That's my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. After work, I finally feel free.
So, what do you do after work?
First, I change into comfortable clothes. Sweatpants, a t-shirt. I can't stay in work clothes.
Oh, me too. I change immediately.
Then I start making dinner. I love cooking. It relaxes me.
What do you usually cook?
It depends. Maybe pasta, stir-fry, soup. Something simple but tasty.
Do you cook every night?
Most nights, yes. But on Fridays, I order takeout. Friday is my lazy day.
I like that rule. Everyone needs a lazy day.
What about you? Do you cook?
Not as much as you. I usually cook 3 or 4 times a week. Other days, I eat leftovers or order food.
That's practical.
After dinner, what do you do?
I clean up the kitchen. I hate waking up to a dirty kitchen, so I always wash the dishes before bed.
Same. A clean kitchen makes me feel calm.
After that, I relax. I watch TV, read a book, or sometimes I call my family.
Do you watch TV every night?
Pretty much. It's my way of unwinding. I watch 1 or 2 episodes of a show.
What kind of shows do you like?
Comedies, dramas, sometimes documentaries. Nothing too intense. What about you?
I'm not a big TV person. I prefer reading or listening to music.
Really? What do you read?
Mostly nonfiction. Books about history, science, self-improvement.
That's very productive. I should read more.
Let's talk about bedtime routines. This is important.
Agreed. A good bedtime routine helps you sleep better.
So what do you do before bed?
Around 11 p.m., I start getting ready. I take a shower, brush my teeth, do my skincare routine.
Skincare routine? What's that?
I wash my face, use a toner, put on moisturizer. It only takes 5 minutes.
Interesting. I just wash my face and brush my teeth. Simple.
After that, I set my alarm for the next morning and I get into bed.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Unfortunately, yes. I scroll through social media for like 20 minutes. I know it's bad.
It is bad. The blue light from your phone makes it harder to fall asleep.
I know. I'm trying to stop. Do you use your phone in bed?
Never. I put my phone in the living room. I don't even bring it into the bedroom.
Wow, that's discipline.
It helps me sleep better. Instead of my phone, I read for 15 or 20 minutes.
A physical book?
Yes, a real book. No screens.
That sounds peaceful.
Okay, Emma. We've talked a lot about our routines. Now let's help our listeners by reviewing some useful vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's go through the key words we used today.
First word, routine. A routine is something you do regularly, every day or every week.
For example, my morning routine includes coffee and exercise.
Or, I have a bedtime routine that helps me relax.
Perfect. Next word, wake up. This means to stop sleeping.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
It's hard for me to wake up early.
Another important word, get dressed. This means to put on your clothes.
After my shower, I get dressed and have breakfast.
I get dressed quickly in the morning.
Next, skip. To skip something means to not do it.
Emma skips breakfast most days.
I never skip my morning coffee.
Good examples. Another word, unwind. To unwind means to relax after a busy day.
I unwind by watching TV in the evening.
Reading helps me unwind before bed.
Now, let's talk about habits. A habit is something you do often, usually without thinking.
Checking my phone is a bad habit.
Drinking water in the morning is a healthy habit.
One more, productive. Productive means you get a lot done. You accomplish things.
I'm most productive in the afternoon.
Waking up early makes me feel productive.
Excellent.
All right, Emma, we covered so much today.
We really did. We talked about morning routines, afternoon routines, and evening routines.
We learned that everyone's routine is different. Some people wake up early, some wake up late.
Some people love cooking, some people prefer ordering food.
Some people shower in the morning, some at night.
The important thing is to find a routine that works for you, something that makes you feel good and helps you stay organized.
Exactly. A good routine gives structure to your day.
Now it's time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Today's question is, what's one thing you do every single day, no matter what?
Ooh, good question. For me, it's coffee. I drink coffee every single day without fail.
For me, it's exercise. Even if it's just 10 minutes, I move my body every day.
So listeners, what about you? What's your non-negotiable daily habit?
Maybe it's brushing your teeth, talking to a friend, listening to music, taking a walk, anything.
Please share in the comments or send us a message. We love hearing from you.
And remember, writing in English is great practice.
Thank you so much for watching Fluent English Channel today.
We really appreciate you being here with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. It helps other English learners find us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.
We upload new conversations every day about useful everyday topics.
From both of us, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving your English.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.